Have you ever wondered why some requests get a yes almost instantly, while others, seemingly no different, are met with hesitation or a flat-out no? Today, we're diving into a fascinating principle of human behavior that sheds light on this very question. It's all about the power of explanation. Research by psychologist Ellen Langer demonstrates this principle in a striking way. Imagine you're in a library, waiting to use the copier, and someone asks to cut in line. Langer found that when the person added a reason, saying, "Because I'm in a hurry," their success rate skyrocketed to 94%. Contrast this with a mere request without a reason, which only had a 60% success rate. At first glance, it seems the magic lies in providing a reason, any reason. But Langer's further experiments revealed an even more intriguing insight. When she made a similar request but with a redundant reason, "Because I need to make copies," the success rate was almost the same, at 93%. This suggests that it's not the content of the explanation that matters, but the mere presence of the word "because." This phenomenon is akin to automatic behaviors triggered by specific cues, much like a mother turkey's instinctual care for its chicks is triggered by their cheep cheep sound, even if the sound comes from a completely different source, like a stuffed predator. The word "because" acts as a psychological trigger, prompting compliance even without a meaningful explanation. While some of Langer's additional findings indicate that not all human behavior is so easily manipulated, the effectiveness of "because" is a testament to our tendency to follow patterns and cues in social interactions. This insight can be a powerful tool in understanding how to communicate more effectively, persuade, and even navigate social situations more smoothly. By recognizing the automatic nature of many of our responses, we can start to see the underlying mechanics of our interactions. This doesn't mean exploiting these tendencies, but rather understanding them to foster clearer, more meaningful communication. In a world where everyone is busy and attention is a scarce commodity, knowing how to prompt a positive response can make all the difference. So the next time you find yourself needing a favor, remember the power of "because." It's not just about having a reason, but about triggering an automatic response that leans toward compliance. This simple word can unlock doors, create opportunities, and perhaps even make the world a bit more accommodating. As we navigate the complexities of human behavior, let's not underestimate the power of clear, concise, and well-explained communication. It's not just about what we say, but how we say it, that can turn the tide in our favor, fostering understanding and cooperation in an often chaotic world.